Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we will be repairing a 32-inch Impex LED TV that is experiencing a red standby light only issue and fails to power on. After detailed troubleshooting and voltage checks, we identified that the main motherboard is damaged due to a lightning surge. Since the damage is beyond component level repair, motherboard replacement is the only reliable solution. For this repair, we are using an SP36821.5 universal combo motherboard, which is fully compatible with this panel and supports the same LVDS interface, power input, and I/O connection ports as the original motherboard. Now let's proceed with removing the faulty motherboard. As you can see, the damaged motherboard has been removed successfully. Next, we install the new universal motherboard and properly connect the LVDS cable, power connector, IR sensor, keypad cable, speakers, and all remaining sockets. After completing all connections, let's power on the TV and check the display output. As you can see, the TV has powered on successfully, the backlight is working, and the picture is normal. The TV is now functioning properly. That completes today's repair. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for future repair videos. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.